Hi all. I'm very curious about the idea that Leela Zero might have a tactical weakness, at least in its initial infancy stages. In the TSEC engines competition, it's been granted an entry, and here's an interesting game. It says LC0 0.7 ID 125. This was a game position against Xiphos 0.2 in round 6. Now, LC0 has just played the move Queen C2, and Xiphos played Queen D5. And there might be what seems to be initially a tempting move here, but it does tactically backfire. Can you see what Leela Zero thought was a great move and why it tactically backfires? If I give you 5 seconds to pause the video. Okay. Knight E5. And the reason why this is tempting is you can see that this battery here, if F takes, D takes, if the queen moved, then we're just taking the rook, end of game, basically. However, in this position, yeah, after knight e5, it was actually taken, because after d takes e5, there's a very, very powerful forcing move available, which Leela Zero's opponent managed to find. If I give you 5 seconds, what would you play in this position? So black to play. Can you spot a very, very strong move here, which actually refutes completely knight e5, basically? Yeah, it's so unbelievably forcing. It's really limiting the opponent's options. Rook e1 check. And I say that because the queen is guarding against even king moves here, like king g2. King move, king g2. So it's absolutely forcing sequence, rook takes, and then taking on d3. So yeah, a counter tactic refutation, leaving black a piece up. The game continued, just for the record, like this, with black just mopping up basically the pawns. Black is a bishop up, and all the pawns go, and rook takes f2 check here for queen f6 check, takes that rook as well. Another tactic from black to finish white off totally. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just curious. I think this is an infancy symptom, I would hope. It's curious if this neural network approach or implementation, is it going to be as effective as AlphaZero? Maybe there's a bit of uncertainty. But on the other hand, Leela Zero has demolished an international master at a fairly long time limit. So I don't know what versions, how strong or weak they are, to be honest, or what is being used there could have been made better, better hardware, better versioned. But on the evidence of this, and in the game I played this morning, at the moment there appears to be some tactical Achilles heels, which will make Leela Zero lose basically games, perhaps needlessly, if these tactical issues can't be ironed out. Now that's interesting to me from a sort of neural network versus brute force perspective, that perhaps that's why engines traditionally have been written with brute force, because the emphasis was always to try and take electricity basically and use that for more and more calculations, and stronger each year, you know, tactically scaling up. But with a neural network, there's like greater uncertainty, and would they ever like be able to calculate as well as the standards, like, you know, the standard brute force approach? So this neural network approach in this particular project, perhaps in this version at least, seems to have some tactical issues which I hope get ironed out. Anyway, I thought I'd let you know about this particular game example, which you might find fascinating, that white actually played knight e5 here. So this was ID 125, which some of you have said was actually better than the 1-4 something version I've been playing. So I don't know now. I don't know. Let's see. Are these issues going to be ironed out or not? Comments, questions, appreciated. Thanks so much.